So what we want to do is we want to write this as an equation that does not involve t. Right? Our parameter is t. And we want to write this in a form where t is no longer involved. Oh yes, when I write this sort of hashtag green stuff, right, that's signaling that this is like a comment on the solution. Who knows, who's done coding before? Okay, then you, yeah, awesome. Okay, then you know what comments are. This is like a commentary on our solution. It's so that when you have your notes, you can figure out what I was thinking, what the plan was. Right, so this is just a comment explaining what's going on. Okay, so we've got an equation that specifies what y does, and we've got an equation that specifies what x does. So how can we eliminate the parameter from this? Yes?
So we're trying to remove t, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the first equation says x equals t.
Yeah.
So we can use that x instead of t.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. Right. So in here we can use x instead of t. Excellent. Okay. So we take this t, convert it into an x, and we get y equals 2x plus 1. Okay. And that matches the linear graph we had before. Very nice. So we've eliminated the parameter. We can say that this guy is also y equals 2x plus 1. Not so bad. Okay, so we've got these parametric equations. To sketch them, we make some kind of table of values. Right? We calculate out a bunch of values, connect them up. To eliminate the parameter, we do some kind of algebra to get into this form, y equals f of x. Okay. Thoughts there, observations there? Yes?
Just a question, does it always must be y equals f of x, or it's a bit easier, we can switch it up, x equals f of y?
Right, yes, so the question was, do we always want y equals f of x? Really, we want an equation without t. Okay, so so we want an equation with no t in it. So it could be x equals y squared. If that works, that works. Okay. So we talked about the sort of the major topics for the exercises in 1.1. So I encourage you to get a copy of the textbook, get a copy of the reading guide, and to attempt these exercises. Overwhelmingly, students say in this course you have to stay on top of the exercises to get ready for quizzes and tests. So we'll leave it at that. We're going to pick this material up and do more stuff related to this, but we'll do that next time. So if you've got questions, please come up and ask questions about the course, about this material, anything. Yeah, these will be posted on YouTube, and I'll put a link on books. Okay, is that all right? Yeah. So, oh, it's still recording.